Oh, it's over here. Even in the front, it has a toy inside it.
So what toy is this, guys?
It's a racing car. You can assemble it.
Yeah.
It's a take-apart car modification racing car. It looks really cool.
There are two
Wait, 2 ways to build it.
new ways to play. So there's the race car and a sports car. So
Wow.
you can use the parts to build a race car, or you can build your own stuff. It's up to you.
Yep.
Let's open it up. Okay, here it is. Yeah. It says there's over 30 pieces, but I don't think there is. Okay. So we have the power drive, the main car. Screws, tires, two sets, and then the racing car. So Jace, which wheels do you want first? This one or that?
This.
Okay, so we need some screws.
Screws. Yeah, and this.
Okay, now you have to drill them in.
It's a stand.
Awesome.
Okay.
Nice.
This goes on the front.
How about we put the roof on this thing, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Put it on.
Oh, wow. Wow!
I could have
just did a drift
that
by
time.
itself. Okay.
That car just did a drift by itself. Now you're going to put that big spoiler on.
Yep.
Wow.
That was awesome.
And you've got some extra wheels.
Extra screws.
Wow, that car looks like it can go really fast, guys.
Yep.
So it makes sense.
Yeah, it does. Like every time you move it, it makes a sound.
Right there.
So guys, what do you think of this new car?
It's great.
It's great, huh?
Makes sense.
Maybe we should race it.
Race it with my dog over here.
On your marks, get set,
Go!
he wins!
Wait, go out the window.
On your marks,
Get
get
set.
set, go! Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time, okay?